So guys, ito yung zucchini natin na galing sa garden. So yung kalahati, niluto ko na. Tapos ito yung kalahati kasi malaki. So ang gagawin natin nito guys, slice natin to kasi ng maliit. Kasi ihahalo ko sa macaroni. Tapos ang gagawin ko, i-blend ko to para hindi mahalo talaga. Tsaka ano, kasi itong, lalo na tong anak ko, especially Robert, he don't like to eat vegetables. There is nothing really wrong. It don't hurt his stomach, but ayaw lang talaga niya pagdating ng gulay. So pag i-blend ko to, hindi na nila nakikita. So they will eat, and this is very good. And I've been doing this for a few times already, and this is very good. So at least, kasi guys, ang dami kong gulay na sa garden. Ang asawa ko walang problema, pero pag nakita niya kasing may gulay, sasabihin niya bakit ano, kasi nga hindi sila nasanay na may mga gulay-gulay, lalo na pag ito sa macaroni nila. So ang gagawin ko para kasi I have a lot of vegetables already in the garden, so I try to use it as much as I can. And of course I give some, but tapos i-blend natin to guys. Ito ng konting tubig para at ito ihahalo ko sa sauce. Yung tomato sauce guys, hindi ako masyadong yung tomato sauce ko ngayon, ayan, kasi i-blend natin. So guys, this is all our ingredients. This is the zucchini that we blend, and salt, and this is the one that we're gonna use. Tapos yan, and this, the onion and garlic, of course, fresh from the garden. That's what we have to do, and this, and a little bit of meat. So that's all our ingredients. So guys, samahan nyo akong magluluto. So yan guys, habang nagpapakulo tayo, nagpapalambot ng macaroni natin, start na tayo ng luto ng ingredients. And hindi ako naglalagay ng madaming mantika guys. Yan, mainit na yung garlic ko guys, medyo green siya kasi late ko nang na-harvest. Tapos mag-uumpisa na naman palang tutubo. Kaya ang lalaki nila. And I like it to become cook it at the golden brown. Tapos compress ko yung mga sibuyas natin guys at tandaan ng garlic. wala, hindi na makikita yung green niya. Hinalo mo ito ng hinalo. Hindi na makita yung green. Kita mo kunti-unti na nawala na yung green. So, masarap siya guys. Ayan. See, the green is already disappeared. So, yan hindi na nila alam. Ayan na guys. So, ang gawin natin ito, palaputin natin ng konti. Habang nagpapalambot pa tayo ng macaroni. Ayan na guys, malapot na siya. Wala na yung green. Miso, by miso. Medyo malapot na guys. Tingnan natin. Good. Nagtalo yung tamis, guys, ang sarap. Laputin natin ng konti. So, mahilig yung mag-ama ko yung maraming sauce. Guys. Ayan guys, malapot na siya. Lagay na natin yung ano natin. Marami to guys. I cook a lot kasi we also bring some to work tomorrow. And our dinner and lunch tomorrow. My husband and I will bring some to work. Ayan guys, nilagyan ko ng cheese para, ayan, para lalong mas masarap. Ayan.